Well, I'm over here at the office. It is 8:30. I just fixed the pin that I found that was out on that red dump truck when I was loading it on Thursday or Friday. Then I started up the RGN, got the battery charging on that. Now I'm waiting for Jared to come pick me up, take me over to the granite, so then we can go pick up the granite, because it sounds like I'm just working at the that culvert job today. Brought a couple cigars, just a AJ Fuente second. It's a New World as far as I know, or not AJ Fuente. I forgot what makes it. New World, just a second, nothing too special. And then I got another factory smoke. I'm gonna give this one another try today and see if it's actually gonna be any good. The first one I had was awful, to say the least, and I really want to like them. They're cheap and they should be really good. They're made by Drew Estate, and I love everything by Drew Estate. Well, at least I love most things by Drew Estate. There's a bunch of gimmicky cigars I don't care for. I'm not a fuse guy and all that. But we'll see how it goes. So it sounds like we're going to be topping that entire place with gravel and rolling it out and doing all that kind of stuff. That culvert job. So Tony's already on the way over there in the skid steer. And then he's going to get going on it and pick that bee stone up. And then we'll be laying in gravel all day and turning that whole place into a parking lot. And then hopefully that culvert pipe will settle in a little bit, and we can, the next month or so, we can fix the low spot that it'll eventually create. And then they'll have themselves a nice, big, larger parking lot to park a bunch of their stuff in. So that project's gonna come along. Easy Monday. I can just run around the dump truck all day. Well, it's been an extremely busy day. I'm running dirt to the same job that we did the culvert on. We added another 40 feet of culvert, kind of create like a second driveway. And I had to go get a headlight and tail light for this truck. I'm in the new granite. Then I got mud flaps and hangers for the end dump, because the end dumps got completely torn off on them. And now I'm trying to keep up as fast enough pace as I can for the guys bringing them dirt, and I'm actually kind of ahead of things, so it's not going too bad. But then I got to install the mud flaps and the hangers after we get done with the day today. I'm like, great. So it's just going to make a much longer night for me. Might try and get Jared on it and he can just do it, but we'll see how that whole thing goes. So haven't even taken the camera out, haven't had time to get a cigar in, just running back as forth as I can, or back and forth as fast as I can to load myself and then go and deliver the dirt to the job, and just back forth right here by Hodges. So here's what I have to do to load myself. That's me loading myself. Oh, well, it's 6:30. I'm still at the office. The date cab end dump. Put new brackets on it for the mud flaps because it kept getting tore off. They were straights instead of being bent. And then I had to tighten down the window kit. All the grease was starting to come out of it. Then I checked all of them. Every single one of the bolts was loose. But that looks a lot better. Need some ICC tape on it though, which is this stuff. So I need to put some on there. But I don't have to do it right now. Then I'm gonna take the granite home. Man, it's been a long ass day. I wanna go home. It's gonna be an early day tomorrow, so go home and eat. Got my pickup truck here. Well, I'm gonna leave my pickup truck here and take the granite home. But go home and eat, shower, and go to bed. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Did a whole bunch today. Didn't even get a chance to film a lot, but another day down, I guess. So go home and eat. We'll see you guys tomorrow.